In this video, we'll be talking about how you can use conditional formatting to spot attendance trends. So let's say I want to see all of the students whose attendance is lower than 90%. So if their attendance is lower than 90%, let's have them be colored orange. So I'm going to select all of this row here. This is where I want the color coding to go. So conditional formatting is color coding. And I'm going to go to conditional formatting and then click on highlight cell rules. And then I'm going to click on less than. And then I'm going to type in here 90%. And let's change the formatting. So I'm going to click on custom format. And then I'm going to go to the fill part. So you might already be in the font part. Just go to the fill part instead. And for background color, let's just choose orange, this shade right here. Now press OK. And just to make sure you understand how this works, it says here new formatting rules. So the rule is that the cell will be formatted. So will format only cells that contain a cell value that is less than 90%. And you can change this to be greater than or equal to or between, but for now I'm just leaving it as 90%. Make sure that you write down 90%. Don't just write down 90, because if you write down 90, then that's going to think of 9,000 instead, not like 9,000%, because instead of 0.9, which is what percentages are. And I'm going to press OK. And you'll see that all the students whose attendance is less than 90% is highlighted in orange. Now, if we want to have it so that all the students who have less than 80% attendance are highlighted in red, we can select all the data again. Press conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, and then we'll go to less than. And we'll put down less than 80% here. And then where it says format cell width, we're going to go to custom format and make sure you're in the fill tab, not the font tab, the fill tab. Let's make this red if it's less than 80%. So then press OK, and then press OK again. And now you see that any student whose attendance is less than 80% is red. Anyone whose attendance is less than 90% is automatically orange.